Hello, my name is Baya and this concentration is about raising our love field. I'm going to use technologies of Grigori Grabovoi to guide you through this concentration. Heart is our main generator and there is nothing that releasing your heart energy will not heal. When your love field is raised, you are coming to the point that your intuition is so well tuned, your heart energy is so strong that the messages, guidance from your heart are crystal clear. And there is no doubt my intuition is going to guide me 100% of the time. I'm going to guide you through a few different ways for raising love field so you can recognize, feel which one works best for you. So let's work. Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Start with watching your natural breath, just following every inhale and every exhale. There is a natural sense of coolness in the nostrils as we inhale. Feel that coolness. Notice how your chest raises and falls with each breath. Allow your breath to carry away all the tension as the air goes out. So we are going to relax part by part of our body. With next exhale, relax face muscles. Next exhale, release your shoulders and arms, chest, abdomen, and with next exhalation, relax both legs. With every other exhale, we are feeling lighter and lighter in our physical body. Now concentrate at your heart. Try to feel heart beating, to visualize your heart pumping blood through the blood vessels by repeated rhythmic contractions. Make sure to see it as if we are watching it through body scanner. Try to feel your heart beatings. First way of raising our love field is green coloring. Start with coloring your heart. Green is love, responsibility. And then spread your green to the chest, arms, legs. Let your whole body be green. Now concentrate on the point beside your left scapula. Through this point, we inhale and exhale at the point under your heart, as if these 2 points becomes our nostrils. Inhalation at the point beside left scapula. Exhalation under the heart. And with every other exhalation, recognize your raising love field. With every inhale, feel you are loving more and more. Loving every cell in our body. Every time we raise love field, love travels to the very nucleus of each and every cell of our body. Although this is about universal love, One of the ways for raising our love field is also thinking about someone we love, family members. You can keep someone you love in your mind and feel you are loving more and more. Now we are going to spread this raised love field outside of our physical body. So inhale, and with exhalation, spread your love field around you. And while doing that, try to feel density of the space around you. Inhale, and with exhale, fill the room you are sitting in with your love. With next exhale, we are going to spread our love field on the whole city you are living in. Then, with next exhale, spread it to the whole state. And next exhale, hold the whole planet Earth in your love field. Slowly go back to your breath, observing every inhale and every exhale. This raised love field is unique feeling, and you can't mistake it. Some of you may feel lightness, easiness in your chest or in the whole body. Some may feel it as a sense of freedom or just very pleasant feel in the body. Stay in this state for a while. And you can slowly open your eyes. New concentrations are coming. Subscribe to my channel so we can breathe through the heart, listen and speak through the heart together.